There are three tools that have changed the game for me on a personal level, and I'd like to talk about them real quick. These tools all have different jobs, but they all have some things in common, like speed, efficiency, repeatability, the same results every single time. First thing, Testo Smart probes. These things are easy to carry. They're easy to hook up to a system. We get instant readings through the Testo Smart app. Refrigerant hoses on a manifold, they can carry contamination. Okay, and we can cross-contaminate a system. We can also pull refrigerant out of a system that is running fine. Rapid locking system, RLS for short, is an alternative to brazing. We press fittings in rather than brazing them in refrigeration and air conditioning applications. We use a press tool for this. As the flammable refrigerant market picks up, I think we're going to see a lot more press happening. Brazing is still a skill that we all need to know, but press is trending up, so I'd be looking out for that. Next is the Navac NEF6LM. This is a flaring tool that is small, it's compact, and it makes repeatable flares at a 45-degree angle. If you're doing a lot of mini splits, you're doing a lot of VRF, and there's a lot of flares involved, this tool, hands down, is probably the best flare tool on the market, in my opinion, and it's helped me greatly in my heat pumps, in my mini splits. These are three of the industry innovations that are helping me out on a day-to-day, week-to-week, and monthly basis. Happy HVACing, guys.